Welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I will show you how you can add effects on your Instagram story. So effects make your post or story more attractive and pleasant look. For this, you need to click on this plus icon on the top right of your screen. Now click on this story option or upload your particular picture from your gallery. As you can see, I have uploaded this picture, and now at the top right corner you will find this third option, which is effects. Click on it and you will given particular effects at the bottom of your screen. So these are the different effects you can apply on your story. As you can see, my story is now looking pleasant or attractive. Once you have selected your effect, for example I selected this one, click this done button at the top right corner of your screen. Click on it and now click this arrow button at the bottom right corner. Click share and now click done button. You can see your story is now uploading on your profile picture. You can watch this by refreshing your window and click on this profile picture to watch this story. As you can see, your story is now uploaded successfully with the same effect you have selected previously. So if you found this video helpful, kindly subscribe to my channel and do comment down. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.